Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing a package from Baby Blue Bat Boutique. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, the other day I got an Instagram message from the lovely Kate that runs Baby Blue Bat Boutique asking me if she could send me some stuff so that I could review it on my YouTube channel. So I had looked through her page. I hadn't seen it before. It was the first time that I had been drawn to their attention, and she has got some beautiful stuff. I immediately followed. So she sells primarily through Depop from the looks of things. We've got in here, I think there's a little bio in here as well. I did ask her to send me something. So let's open this up. I've literally just opened it to make sure it was what I thought it was. Don't want me sat here opening a bill. So here we are. We have the letter. Happy hauntings. I love it. I love it. That's brilliant. It says, "Hi Laura, thank you so much for collabing with me. I hope you're staying safe during these weird times. P.S. I love your content." Oh, thank you very much. I love your stuff, Kate. I can't wait to see what it looks like in real life. Baby Blue Bat Boutique. It's just run by me, Kate. It's handmade gothic and magical jewellery, and it's affordable because everybody deserves to feel magical, and we are based in North East Sunderland. I can't wait to see. So she's got a real range of stuff. She's got acrylic coffins and that kind of thing. She has an acrylic sort of witchy range. She's got cats and other mythical creatures. Lots of body parts. There's rib cages, there's skulls, there's anatomical hearts. All the things that make my heart sing. There's also crystals if that floats your boat as well. It's not my bag, but I know a lot of you viewers do love a crystal. So she has lots of beautiful things that way as well. So I basically just sent her, a list of everything that I liked, which was a lot, and said, surprise me. So let's see what she surprised me with. Just make sure that is the only thing. Yes. You know what we like. We love the packaging. We love the packaging here on Heavy Metal Momma. I love a Beetlejuice stripe. And this is all, it's like textured, sparkly washi tape. I love it. I love it. Let's see what we have. Oh, right, we've got some stickers and business cards first. So, Baby Blue Bat Boutique, handmade jewellery for the strange and unusual. There we go. That is her business card. Oh, that's beautiful. It's this gorgeous planchette sticker. That is lovely. I really like that. Ooh, that's going with my sticker collection. I haven't decided what to put them on. My husband put all of his stickers on his laptop, and part of me really wants to, and the OCD part of me can't do it. So maybe I will. Maybe I will. I don't know. Because then they're used and yeah, they have potential. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Well, I will let you know when I finally decide what I'm going to use all my stickers for. What have we got? Oh, so I was saying about the acrylic coffins, and ta-da! We have an acrylic coffin with a bat cut into it as well, which, that just hits all the things that I like. Coffins, bats, that's awesome. Oh, it's a nice length chain as well. Right, let's try this on. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. That's adorable. I love it. I love it. It almost looks better from further away. Oh, it's so cute. That's gorgeous. Well, that's one item. What else have we got? Oh, I did say to only send a couple. She sent loads of stuff. She's naughty. You're naughty, Kate, but I love it. Thank you very much. Ooh. Oh, I love this. Oh, do you know, my daughter is going to be fighting me for this. So this is another acrylic bat, but this time we have it in a giant circle. That is also absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely love it. My daughter is going to be fighting me for that. I'm going to be constantly looking in her room for it. Oh yes, I love it. Oh yes, I love a bat. That's awesome. Oh, that is going to get worn a lot. Oh wow, look. Oh, these are cute. So we've got some little earrings here. What they are, very delicate. So they are little hoops with teeny tiny little moon charms on them. They're adorable. I really like them. The moons have got little stars on them as well. They're really cute. I love them. Ooh, now I've not had earrings like this before, so it pokes in the hole. This should be interesting. There we go. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I love it. Right, let's try the other one. There we go, getting the hang of it now. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they're so delicate. I love it. I love it. Again, thank you, Kate. Oh, and what have we got? This is the last item. You've sent too much, Kate. You're naughty, you know that. Naughty, naughty. Oh, but these are amazing. Teenage me is screaming right now. So, don't know if you're aware, if you saw my last video, I have the Handbook for the Recently Deceased wallet from KILLSTAR, because every girl loves Beetlejuice. I remember identifying fully with Lydia as a teenager, and these are amazing. Hang on, let's get these out and let's put those ones in. It's wrapping my brain around getting them out. There we go, there we go. Ta-da! Oh yes. Oh, they're awesome. Oh, I love it. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, so there's a real array of different items there. We've got the two acrylic necklaces, these beautiful little very silver moon earrings, and then these really cool acrylic Beetlejuice earrings. It's just so cool. There's so many different things on her websites. The crystals, there are so many different types of crystal. I mean, I don't really know anything about crystals. It's not my bag. So, but there seem to be a lot of different colours, which I think mean different things. So if you're into crystals, I'm sure there's one there that floats your boat. These are so, so cool. She's got some really cool anatomical heart earrings, and there's these really cool little skeleton ones where the limbs all flail about, which is really, really cute as well. It's just such a beautiful company. Like I said, with all of these companies, you are supporting a member of our community. Go check her out. Go check out her shop on Depop. She's got a Facebook page and an Instagram page. Depop is Baby Blue Bat. Facebook and Instagram are Baby Blue Bat Boutique. Go check out some of Kate's beautiful stuff. I love supporting a small business. Her Instagram page is beautiful as well. She's got some gorgeous shots on there. Which one is your favourite? Tell me down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. You know what I'm like. I like having a little discussion with you guys about which one you like best. Comment down below to discuss any of the things that have come up in the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.